Hey guys, and welcome to another video by me from Tap Into Plumbers. Been sent out to this job today as a suspected rat or some kind eating through the concertina pan connector. If you can think of anything else that would have caused this, please comment down below. Because I can't think of anything else that would cause that, to be honest with you. I haven't seen it before. This is a first for me. Bit of a pig to get to, as you can see. They've boxed all in one side of it, so you can't even get your screwdriver in to get it off. So I managed to do it. I've put in the new concertina pan connector. This was also a pig to get in with the toilet in place because you got the shower so close to it also, but I managed to do it with the magic of my amazing hands and flexibility. But there you go. So as you can see, it's all back in place now, and there's no leaks on the system, which is always a good sign. As you can see, I flushed it quite a few times just to make sure. So guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below on what you think may have caused that to happen. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.